All right, we're here.
Ooh, this car definitely gotta take a dog.
Isn't that cool?
Oh, this is actually revealing.
Exactly. Oh, say that again. What did you just say?
Next
here.
time I won't even need bribery or payment for knowing that you need some serious help. I'll come here just for the fun of this.
What did you say before that?
I thought it would be sawing and then collecting the dog.
Ah, no, it's already done. It falls out of this hole up here.
Using high friction, turns it way smaller, but doesn't actually turn it into dust. And it does little slivers of the wood at once. Because
How do you know this?
I learned it from somewhere, but I just wrote it down.
Nice one. Hold on, but don't put it in there. We gotta tie it. We gotta tie it.